Read, listen, enjoy tons of eBooks, audiobooks, and magazines available free with your library card. There is something for everyone with OverDrive at Ocean County Library.
Hello everyone! One of my favorite ways to use the library digitally is to go to ocl.overdrive.com or use Libby as an app on your mobile device. If you have a library card, signing in is easy. Just click Sign In here and enter your library card number to have access. Once you are logged in, feel free to explore the book lists available that our librarians have created here. Or you can browse by collection, as we have ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines. We also have materials by certain audiences, such as books for kids and books for teens. If you have a certain genre in mind, visit Subjects, and once you have selected the genre, you can also filter it by titles that are available now, and also format, such as ebook or audiobook. If you have a specific book in mind, use the search bar. A book that I would recommend right now is the book of Ichigo Ichie. This book is a great read for Asian Pacific Islander Heritage Month, and it also is a good mental health read. To borrow, click Borrow here, or you can place the book on hold if the title is not yet available. You can choose to read this book in your browser, or if you have a Kindle device, to read now on Kindle. Once you have opened the book, you can click below on the screen to open up the Options menu, where you can go to Chapters or set bookmarks. The most important setting is the Reading settings, where you can change the colors of the text size, and also use the Open Dyslexic option for dyslexic readers. Once you have finished with the book, go to your bookshelf available here. You can return the book early, so that way you can open up different slots you have available for the month. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email, or you can chat with us from the hours of 10 to 2, Monday through Friday. We also have a Reader's Concierge service where we will give you book recommendations based on your personalized taste. I hope that you check it out. Happy reading and listening!
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.